The Sorensen sga60x250d-1daaas is a high-voltage, high-current power supply used in several semiconductor tools, including ones in the MOCVD process. The output can reach up to 250 volts DC and have up to 60 amps of output current. This unit came into us without any output capability, and after a lot of labor and parts, we were able to bring it back to life as shown in the video. The box it is attached to is a custom-built fixture we have at ERD for running current at higher voltages, such as this power supply. At ERD, we specialize in working in the odd type equipment, such as this customized output power supply. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.